Let's make beef broccoli stir fry.
So to start, you're going to want to make your stir fry sauce. So you're going to want to grab half a cup of hot water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, minced, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, and last but not least, black pepper. And now your stir fry sauce is done. Let's get on to cooking our broccoli. So you're gonna put some oil in your wok you have, and you're gonna let that heat up. And once that's hot, you're gonna add in your broccoli and just stir it around with your spatula until it gets all crispy. So once your broccoli is all crispy like this, you're gonna put it aside into a bowl. And now let's cook our beef. So you're gonna add oil to your hot wok, and then you're gonna add in your beef you cut into thin bite-sized strips. And you're just gonna cook that for about 2 minutes on each side, or until it's cooked through. So once your beef is all cooked through, you're gonna add in your sauce, which you're gonna let simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. And you're also gonna reduce your heat to medium-low.
Okay, once your sauce is simmering and it's thickened, you're gonna add your broccoli in. And you're just gonna stir that until the sauce coats it all. And then you're ready to serve. And if your sauce is too thick, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to thin it out. This recipe is way better than Panda Express. It will satisfy your takeout cravings without having to break the budget. And it tastes way better too.